that cold as a motherfucker. God.
El Recubano, Manito, Papito, El Gato Jefe. I'm standing strong, I'm a one-man army. Yo, cool cat back. I'm taking me a little quick trip to go see if I could get my watch clean. It's a beautiful day. It's actually my first time outside. I just been chilling in the condo, reading, watching videos. I went to the gym. It's beautiful out here. Yo, cool cat walking. Cool cat got her cool cat today. Mr. Cool Cat. Right now, the time right now is around 5-6 p.m. This is when everyone is getting off work, so it's pretty busy here. A lot of people here at McDonald's. It looks amazing out here. A lot of people. I'm thinking about going to get some happy chicken. Happy chicken the best. Ice cream shop. Yo. Cool cat back. It's extremely hot outside. Cool cat need a haircut, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Beautiful lady. That cool cat need a haircut, man. I'm looking rough, man. I'm not looking really cool, man. I'm not looking cool, but it's a beautiful day in Bangkok. I have on cool cat. No, this is an everyday thing, me wearing cool cat. You guys need to get your cool cat so you can be cool too. Wear your cool cat every day. I'm on my way to McDonald's to get an ice cream cone. I'm McLoving it. But I'll see you guys. It's extremely hot. Guys, cool cat got his ice cream. It's really yummy. I need to go get a haircut though. I have some ice cream. It's always a good day for ice cream. Yeah. It is extremely hot. This is how the streets of Bangkok look. It's crazy out here. It's a lot of pretty Thai girls out here too. If you know, you know. But I love Thailand, guys. I'm just waiting here at the crosswalk, being patient. But I'll catch up with you guys. I'm going back to my condo and I'm watching a show called The Lazarus Project. It's pretty cool. It's basically about people time traveling, and I'm really enjoying it. My mom told me that she watched it, so I'm watching it. Yeah.
Hey guys, so it is around, I'd say 7:30, 8 p.m. Cool cat just found this cool LED light by my kitchen counter. So right now I am cooking. Some chicken. I'm cooking chicken. I just got out the shower, so that's why I'm looking like this. You can still see the water on my face. Just got out the shower. But cool. Oh, you can see that. I still have on my towel as well. But cool cat is cooking. Look at that big bag of rice. Yeah. Let's start the camera. Yeah guys, so cool cat is cooking some chicken. I cut it up. It's almost ready. The seasonings I use is your Cuban seasonings, cumin, oregano, get your bay leaves, get your onion powder, your garlic powder, what else? Get your cilantro for the Cuban, saison de cubano. Yeah, I have my rice already made. I made my pot of rice earlier for my lunch after the gym. I went to the gym around like 1 a.m. this afternoon. Right now it's about 8 p.m. This is my sink. I just have to wash this bowl. Oh, let me check my chicken. So, as you can see, my chicken is done. Let me turn that off. And I'll get back with you guys so my chicken don't burn. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And I'll see you guys later.
We ain't focused on religion, we focused on relationship.